Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of upholstery fabrics and uncovering the best options for your furniture. From durability to style, we'll explore the factors that make these fabrics stand out. Let's get started and find the perfect upholstery fabric for your next furniture project. Natural fabrics. Cotton, a classic choice. Cotton is breathable, comfortable, and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. However, it can wrinkle and stain easily. Linen offers a beautiful, natural look and is quite durable. However, it wrinkles easily and requires special care. Velvet upholstery fabrics are known for their plushness, richness, and depth of color. This fabric adds a touch of opulence to any room and is perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Synthetic fabrics. Polyester, durable, wrinkle-resistant, and available in a wide range of colors and textures, polyester is a popular choice. However, it might not be as breathable as natural fabrics. Nylon, extremely strong and stain-resistant, nylon is often blended with other fibers for a softer feel. It's a good choice for high-traffic areas. Microfiber, this soft, easy-to-clean fabric is a great option for families with pets or kids. It's also stain-resistant and often budget-friendly. Leather. Leather is a luxurious and durable material that adds a touch of sophistication to any furniture piece. However, it requires special care and can be more expensive. Remember, the best upholstery fabric is the one that fits your lifestyle and design preferences. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and patterns for a unique look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips and tricks.